Hey guys, I'm Shiv from hashtag and welcome back to my new video. Oppo reschedules Find X2 event to March 6 for unveiling Oppo Find X2 series and Oppo smartwatch. Earlier Oppo set an event in MWC 2020, but the event was cancelled due to the coronavirus outbreak. Besides, Oppo Find X2 Pro gets Bluetooth certification that specifies the camera configuration of the smartphone a few days ago. Yesterday, company shared a new promo video of the Oppo Find X2. In this video, the smartphone will be coming with a OLED panel and a punch hole in the upper left corner of the display. On the back, Oppo possibly goes for the Sony IMX689 camera sensor, which is also mentioned in the previous rumors. The camera configuration comes with a 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 13 megapixel triple rear camera for Oppo Find X2 and a 48 megapixel plus 48 megapixel plus 30 megapixel triple rear camera solution for high-end Oppo Find X2 Pro variant. These setups also include sensors like wide-angle, ultra-wide-angle and telephoto camera with periscope zoom. Besides, a 32 megapixel front camera was included for selfie shots. Oppo teased that the phone features a 3K resolution display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will support HDR10, high frame rate motion compensation technology, and the phone supports latest flagship Snapdragon 865 processor. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Find X2 in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Oppo phones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Haskushabz from hashtag.